Hey guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. Thanks for supporting.
You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I knew that.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you must have got from the title or the thumbnail that I'm going to review about the wireless Bluetooth speaker today. And the speaker is this Wonderboom. So if we talk about the weight of this speaker, it weighs around like 425 grams. Why I'm telling you this, because just if you want to know that if you can carry it in your small bag, yes you can, and it's not that heavy. Yeah, it's heavy to as compared to other speakers, portable speakers, as you get like very small ones. This is a quite big one, but still it's something that you will want to carry with you. So let's go further. If we talk about the price, you will get it in the range of like 4,000 to 7,000 depending upon which model you are going for and what discount you are going to get on the website. So I have got this from Amazon and I don't remember the price because this I got around like 1.5 years ago. So that is the reason I'm going to give the honest review on this, because I have used it for quite a long time. So if you want to check the current price, I'll share the link, Amazon link. You can go through that and you can get the all other details on it and the price. And yeah, there are like, this looks very pretty and there are many other color options available. You will be so happy to see the varieties, the color variants available in this speaker. So yeah, you can check that on link. So this speaker is for like if you are a party animal, then you are going to love this speaker, because this is like drop proof and waterproof. If it falls down from the table or if it falls down from your hand, or like if you happen to drop it off suddenly, then it is drop proof, and this is tested very well and nothing happens to this. So this is really good quality of this one. Other one is this is waterproof. So in case of waterproof, if you are going to take it to a beach or a pool party, then no need to worry, because if it goes inside the water, nothing is going to happen to this, and this is also very well tested and proven. So this is the reason this is called to be the most durable speaker. So they claim that it can cover up to 100-meter range in the Bluetooth. I am not sure on that, because I have checked it in my own house only. In my entire house, if I talk about that, I take my phone anywhere in the room or even outside a little bit, I get the same sound quality and it doesn't break at all. So one more fun fact about this speaker is you can connect this speaker to up to 2 devices at the same time, and you can play 2 different music on the same speaker from 2 different devices at the same time. Like suppose if you have connected it to your laptop and then at the same time you have connected it to your phone, and you are playing 2 different musics on both of these devices, so you will be able to hear both the sounds from this speaker clearly. Isn't that amazing? So that is the reason this is really good for a party place, because its sound is amazing, and you can add 2 devices at the same time to get the more fun into the music. That is the reason it's really good for party, pool party, beach party. If we talk about the battery, so they claim that it can work up to 10 hours, and for latest models I think they have given around up to 13 hours it can work if it is fully charged. I cannot tell you about exact 10 hours, but yes, I think it works. I'm quite sure on that it works, because I have used it for hours after charging full, and it really works for long. Also, if you have connected a device to this speaker and then you are not playing any music for like quite around 10 to 15 minutes, it is like not being used, then it will automatically get turned off to save the battery. that is also a good thing about it. So about the sound of the speaker, as I said, if you want to compare it with the JBL ones, then I would say JBL has a crisp sound, but this one has a more kind of, the sound which will, the bass is really good, and this will kind of give you more fun at the outdoor places. In though I use it inside my house, but just a good benefit that it gives you more fun at the outdoor music. And yeah, one more thing about it, as you can see, this is the speaker, entire part is the speaker, so it has the 360-degree coverage. So wherever you place it in center, it will give the same sound impact in all directions, because this is 360-degree speaker. And here, as you can see, these are the volume keys. So obviously when you connect it to your device, you can control the volume from your device, but also with these buttons you can control the volume. And the last thing is this. So here is the port from where you can charge it, and they provide a USB cable with this. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you demo of 3D, 8D or a normal music playing with this speaker, so that you can get idea how it sounds. And about the review, my honest review and opinion is this is one of the good speaker, and if you spend money on it, it's worth. So this is really good to go, and you can surely go for this one. I'll give a really good review to this one because my experience is really good with this speaker, and it's been 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years I'm using it, and I haven't faced any issue with this speaker. It's working fine as it was working on the day one when I got it. So it is really good, quality is really good. So this is it for today's video, guys, and if you liked my video a little, then please give a like to this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet in the next video soon. Bye bye.
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood.